Hello everyone, I'm Jared, it's good to see you. I just want to make a quick video and tell you how I've found a way to fit photography into my life even if I'm crazy busy, which I am today. So I've found three kind of methods slash bits of advice that might help you out and find ways to fit more daily photography practice into your life. The first thing I do is find a way to manage my expectations. So when I was younger, when I was beginning budding photographer, if I went out and took photos and I didn't come back with something amazing, I was really depressed. I got down on myself and I was like, man, what did I even go out for? And I wasn't thinking about the process, right? The idea that photography every single day, a little bit, makes you better, even if you've been shooting for decades. And so the first thing I do is just change my mindset, and I know that I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna take pictures more for a little bit of learning and a little bit about seeing the world and enjoying the world. More of that stuff than getting the perfect photograph. The second bit of advice I can give is to go to a location that you know and that you've been to like a lot of times. Sometimes I know in the past my photography students would be like, there's nothing to take photos of. I've been to that thing. I've taken photos there like 100 times, and go 101 times, 102 times. I'm in Elmwood Park by my house, and I've been here, oh my gosh, since my very first lessons of photography 20 years ago. I've come to this park to take photos, and years ago I stopped going because I was like, I've done everything there, and the idea is that no, you haven't even come close. Go to a place where you're comfortable and you know that you can walk around and find a couple shots. You're gonna find something that you never shot before every single time, right? Because the world's always changing, the leaves are different and all that stuff. So get excited about places that you've been to before and find unique, interesting combinations of photographs that will make you happy for that day. And the third thing I do that kind of motivates me and gives me a chance to get out there no matter how much time constraints I have is to use one lens and camera combination, right? So I just pick one lens and I go out and I say, I'm gonna do something good with that. And it could be a learning opportunity, right? So every time you go out, there's new things in the world to see, there's new things to take photos of, and also something maybe to learn on your camera. So I've only used the 100 to 200 on the Fuji GFX in fantastic light. So I've been out in just beautiful light and gotten stunning results with it. But how does it perform? How does this combination of the GFX 50S2 and the 100 to 200 perform in lower light? Today's overcast. It's, you know, there's not a ton of brightness out there. And the 100 to 200 is limited to 5.6 is the maximum aperture. So how does that change the world, right? How does it change my photography process? That's what I'm learning a little bit more about today. And it's the idea is that every time you go out and shoot, you're gonna learn something, no matter what, no matter how small. So am I making photographic magic? Not really, but I'm having a good time. I'm learning a little bit more about my lens and camera combination. And you know, more than anything, I'm getting into that daily practice of shooting photography. All right, so I was able to kind of fit in some time for photographs. Did I get anything spectacular? I don't know. I got a couple good shots, I think. I learned how to treat the 100 to 200 a little bit better in lower light, which I think is super valuable for today. So it has an image stabilizer on it, and you know, it's not an action camera by any means, but or an action lens, but it does a really good job. And those images, they look absolutely incredible on the back of the camera. So I think I'm gonna be probably buying the 100 200 very soon. I also learned that squirrels get mad at you and they chirp at you if you're just chilling out and watching them, trying to get some pictures of them. They don't like that. And so 2 valuable lessons today. Hope you enjoyed If you have any questions, let me know below. But thanks a lot for watching.